What's going on, everybody? It's Tony here from Poppa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power, the absolute power of real estate, folks. I here at one of our flips here today on the Saturday. Good wind, good weather, and a good project that's going on. As you can see, this house here, I named this house 9 Lives. As you can see, this house here has been painted, okay? Looking pretty good. So we come this way here. Was a brown, kind of beige brown looking property with the brown roofs. As you see, that we went black around the trim, which is awesome. And then underneath the carport here, it was brown as well. So we went white across the trim here, and so it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna do a little walking back in the backyard. Looking pretty good, trim. Looking pretty good. Guys actually did a pretty good job lining things up, putting things into the right perspective. So guys, when you're doing flips, paint can mean everything. You know what I mean? Paint can change everything. Paint can make something old look like something new. So let's go inside. We had paneling on the walls here in the living area. And okay, here's some few still shots of the plumbing, where we added the blue, which is the coal, and the red pest pipe to put new plumbing into this property when it comes to the bathroom. As you can see, we ran the valve right here, took some of the copper out. We haven't took this copper out yet. Run a new valve and put a new head at the top. We got a hot to the left and cold to the right. As you can see here in the tub here, we're hooking those new pest pipes into the new shower. Like I said, we got to update these items. And these pets here, you can see on the other shower, in the other master bathroom, you can see it as well. So updating your pets guide, take the copper out and put the pets, then update your plumbing. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today. And what we decided to do is pretty much keep the paneling on the walls, but pretty much fill in the paneling with a little filler and sand it down. So as we sand it down, what it's gonna give the effect of as it was sheetrock, same as that wall back there. It's gonna give the effect as a sheetrock. So as you can see, all the materials here on the floor, kind of messy, but we are looking pretty good here as of now. So at the end of the day, guys, when you're flipping houses, you got to be willing to do the small things you need to do to bring that house up to market. No matter what you do, you want to basically know all the numbers you need to know whether or not that's a good investment or not, and doing the right updates. Because coming into a house like this, you can do a lot of things. You can do tons of things, but you want to keep it simple and basic. So before I even got into this project, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I knew exactly how much money I want to spend. I knew exactly whether or not I want to change those countertops out or reglaze those countertops. I knew exactly where we're going to save money. I knew exactly on the appliances we're going to keep. We're going to keep the refrigerator. We're going to keep that stove there. We're going to keep that microwave. It looks good. So I knew the things that I wanted to do to pretty much keep this property at a bay, but keep the numbers at a point where we're gonna be able to make a good return on our investment. So today that it makes people happy when you're seeing a progress like this go through, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the videos, people. Subscribe to the video, tons of videos. I'm getting with a lot of knowledge. A lot of people are just not doing this, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it to help people, not trying to make a dime off anyone, just trying to give out the knowledge that I have 20 years of being in the real estate game to help you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I see you guys back in the next video. Bye-bye.